IVM.
Hey everyone, welcome to another week on the Positively Unlimited podcast. In this week's episode, I'm talking about M for mindfulness. Yes, another word that has taken over our world in the last few years. And unfortunately, also one that on many occasions has been reduced to nothing but another piece of jargon. Well, today I'm talking about mindfulness from a very, very specific context. And it is about self-awareness. For me, that is what mindfulness is all about. It is about being mindful of what I am thinking, feeling, saying, doing. Being mindful that when I am telling somebody something, what am I actually feeling inside? What is the chatter in my head? And what are the past triggers that may be slammed by the words that I spew? That is what I'm talking about when I say that word mindfulness. You know, when we think about mindfulness, we've been taught that one definition of it is to do things with focus, to not multitask, to be completely present. But do you know what being completely present means? Do you realize that to be completely present, you have to have a top view, a macro perspective, despite the action that is happening in the present moment? It's almost like a piece out of a sci-fi flick. It's like knowing that I am here doing this, but parallelly, simultaneously, in a different energy field within my being, there is something else going on. That is called awareness, self-awareness. So here's what we're going to practice all of this week. We're going to first find one task, any one thing, single something out from your daily routine, not necessarily something new. In fact, preferably not something new and something that you already do. And then you do that with complete attention and focus without multitasking, which means you don't pick up the phone, you don't watch TV when doing it, you don't have conversations when doing it, you don't play music in the background when doing it, you don't answer questions when doing it. Now, this is not going to be easy. It takes practice. So make sure that you pick something that does not take you any more than 10 minutes to do. So think about what it is that you are doing in a day, which is for about 10 minutes that you can do without multitasking, without doing anything else along with it. Every day after you have finished this task, pick up your phone notepad or then take paper and pen and write down. Was it easy? Was it hard? What was hard about it? And how do you feel? Every single day, answer these questions. Was it easy? Was it hard? What was hard about it? And how do you feel? Now, the second thing that you are going to do through the day is to teach yourself to be aware. Be aware of what is going on inside you in specific situations. So pick up any particular conversation that you have with a particular person. So say you can do this with work-related issues or work-related meetings, right? Maybe even you can do this with regards to time that you spend with the people you love. So an aspect of your personal life. When you sit to talk to this one person, identify this one person. And when you sit to talk to this one person, while you are talking to them, also be aware of what is going on in your mind. Maybe you are distracted. Maybe your thoughts are going to multiple places. Be aware of what you are feeling like inside. What is it that this person sitting in front of you and the things that they are saying, what is it making you feel? Try and increase your vocabulary to express to your own self and identify things that you are experiencing, right? And when the conversation is done, at any point, sit and answer these questions. What did I become aware of in that conversation about myself and about this particular person? What did I realize goes on in my head or within my emotional space when I'm sitting in a conversation? Awareness is very important for us to be mindful. Reflection is extremely important for us to sustain this habit of mindfulness. So that's my exercise for you this week. Being mindful is not just about not multitasking or focusing or concentrating more. It is about awareness, a heightened sense of awareness, and it is about making conscious choices to be present in a situation or with a task in a very specific way. But at the same time, making a conscious choice to also accept and embrace everything else that you may be experiencing within you. The biggest lesson that mindfulness gives us is the realization that at any given point of time, we have multiple systems working within our being, and we have multiple circumstances playing out parallelly in our external space. Mindfulness is about being aware of all of that and yet being able to zone into one aspect. So on that note, I'm going to wish you a very, very good week. May you have mindfully joyous experiences. May it be a week of learning. May it be a week of change and evolution. Talk to you again next Monday. But till then, if you need to listen to any of my previous episodes, do log into the IVM app or the IVM website. You can also connect with us on Instagram and Twitter. The handles are IVM Podcasts, and my handle is Positivity Angel. So if you want to talk to me about something specific, do feel free to DM me. Oh yeah, and I also have one last gift for you this week. Very soon I'm going to be putting up videos on my Instagram, which will tell you how you can listen to this podcast for specific situations. So each episode has a mindset and an exercise sometimes, or a perspective to help you shift that particular mindset or to shift into that particular mindset. Well, I've recorded these episodes with a certain context. However, the same tools can be used for many different situations. So yes, stay tuned for a series that is coming up on my Instagram, which will help you make better use of these perspectives, tools, and mindsets that I share with you week on week.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money and Intel. We appreciate their support. It's been a fantastic week on the IVM network. I hope that you've been checking stuff out, but some of the highlights that you definitely should check out. Ashish Vidyarthi, host of Begin the Journey, was on Cyrus Says. They had a really fun conversation. I think you'll enjoy that. Uncle Please Sid did an episode around development, which was really, really fun. On Edges and Sledges, we had Adam Holyoke, former England captain. Wow, those guys are killing it, one cricketer after the other. Definitely do check out Advertising is Dead. We talk about esports with some really guys who really know that space. Smile India, absolutely right. These guys are killing it as well. So is Pawan at Pragati. Don't forget the Original Things. Again, one of my favorite shows. You must check that out. And thanks for listening, and we hope to catch you again next week.
Are you constantly seeking happiness? Wondering how to make the most of every day? How not to let your inhibitions stop you from achieving your goals? It's now time to get your A game on. It's time to unlock your true potential. Tune in to the Empowering series with me, Zarina Poonawalla, to feel empowered in all genres of life. From behavioral skills to management skills. From health to relationships. From mental well-being to emotional well-being. And of course, your finances. I've got you covered. With these tips and tricks from me, Zarina, and true life stories from my amazing guests, you're bound to bring your purest to the table. Tune in to the Empowering series with Zarina Poonawalla every Thursday on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you listen to podcasts.